Just like you, I've heard these are world famous. But are they? Well, today, we will make them and find out once and for all. To start, we will add a 1/4 cup of sugar to a mixing bowl and a teaspoon of salt, followed up by a 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda and 1 tablespoon of baking powder, and whisk together until smooth. To start with our wet ingredients, we will add a 1/2 cup of whole milk, specifically using whole milk for its higher fat content. After you have added your milk, crack in 1 large egg to your pancake mixture. Now for our main fat, we will add 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. And for a little flavor, we are going to add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Mix together until you get a smooth batter. If you enjoy making recipes from restaurants like this at home, make sure to subscribe in order not to miss all future recipes. Preheat a non-stick skillet over medium heat. Once it's to temperature, lightly spray it with some cooking spray. Once hot, scoop out some pancake batter and pour into your hot skillet. Cook for 2 to 3 minutes or until golden brown on bottom. Flip and cook for an additional 2 to 3 minutes and repeat with the rest of the batter. Don't forget to let me know in the comments below what your favorite topping to put on pancakes is. Once all done, stack up your pancakes, throw a knob of butter on top, and heavily douse those pancakes with syrup. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, I highly suggest you watch the video that just popped up on the left of your screen. Enjoy!